The cultural exchange between Algeria and Uganda paved the way for greater understanding and collaboration. We have a shared commitment to fostering peace, stability, and development in our regions.
I believe that if we continue working together, we shall be in position to have cultural exchange programs, education programs, because you've been known in our country as a country which provides scholarships, especially at university level, to so many of our Ugandans. And as a kingdom, we've taken some of our people, and we believe that the closer we have our relationships, we shall be in position to benchmark and work with you to ensure that we have more of our students attaining education from Algeria.
Ebintu bingi Busoga nga kingdom byesobola yona okubateganirwa enkolagana eri wakati wa Uganda government ne Algeria government n'akafuuki bali bona tubalonera batuuka wakati wa Busoga ne Algeria kuba gaire Algeria tukolagana nga government ayi bwali ndembe okukolagana kuba government yaffe tuyikiriza kingdom daifu byedda bisobola okukasta biba mu biji kwitiriza era nga bwemba kubiri Basoga banange Busoga ekuze nze ndi Musoga omusoga ko batya ensekere ekulume eva mu mugaireko Basoga banange tugayite enkumu tugiyite veewo baba funvu wa Gabula Nadiope buli lwosiima Busoga etereera era bw'osiimye Obusoga bulaire bweninga wale nti abalangira mbabona ku saidi y'eno baminisita batyaime abatakatuna twena tutereire entende Obusoga bulaire sendi kasinga kampande ntyaime ku magezi abatandenda balinda lwendifa bali mpaana kadabadde asomesa Olusoga Omusoga akoba ati mwene ndiki talwa kuloga Omusoga yageraira ati esala kweva ku mugendero telwa kufuuka kabasa Basoga banange twire walala lwasira asomesa Olusoga Omusoga akoba tewaigulira okwota kikalwa ku magaziiko enemba abasinga wano mubibwaineku Basoga banange muntegere akabuzi akatoti kegugunira ngugo kadabadani mutole kankome wano banange baba tweta Kyabazinga wenono tujeyo banange zena nandese n'abaana mubalete kuba mulembe mukabula kubeka ebyobuwangwa obwo natweta ng'alina ensonga mukole tujeyo baba natweta tambula ng'Omusoga ng'ojja yali nyagamu ng'Omusoga ng'ojja yali kinamu ng'Omusoga ng'oli gali mwenda mu ng'Omusoga ng'oli gali mugamu ng'Omusoga ng'oli gali yogera ng'Omusoga. Very happy this is taking place, and I'm sure, like the permanent secretary said, we have so many areas we can build on as we discuss with His Majesty. Because our kingdom, because as I told you, I'm born here, it's my king. Our kingdom, we have so many areas we can share with Algeria, and I'm sure in the discussions with His Majesty, this will come up, that we look for areas where we shall see how we foster cooperation between the kingdom and Algeria. With those few words, I invite you.
You know, kingdom is rich culture and history. Busoga people also, with their deep-rooted tradition and vibrant customs, embody a spirit of resilience and the community that resonates with our Algerian heritage. First of all, I want to also congratulate the people of the kingdom and the people of Uganda and the government of Uganda at large for the successful general election conducted recently in the country. As you know, in Algeria also we celebrate the diversity of our culture, much like Busoga. We take pride in their music, dance, and rich oral tradition. The traditional songs and dance of Busoga reflects their connection with the land and their ancestors, similar to how Algeria folk songs express our deep ties to history and identity. Also, in the cultural exchange between Algeria and Uganda paved the way for greater understanding and collaboration. We have a shared commitment to fostering peace, stability, and development in our regions. Algeria is proud to support Uganda in various sectors, including education, agriculture, and trade, enhancing our bilateral ties. On the education, we have to mention that we have this generation of Ugandan students who every year go to Algeria to pursue their higher education in different universities and specialties. And through their presence, we guarantee the strengthening of this human bridge, which is very important for the sustainability of fraternity and friendship between our two nations. These students participate and contribute to the development of Uganda, which pleases us all. We consider that investment in the training of men and women is a source of life, progress, and my happiness to be here in this important kingdom. Thank you.
North Africa, you've read about it. You read about some of the economic activities that you do, and we see a lot of opportunities in Algiers. And we believe that if we continue working together, we shall be in position to have cultural exchange programs, have education programs, because you've been known in our country as a country which provides scholarships, especially at university level, to so many of our Ugandans. And as a kingdom, we've taken some of our people, and we believe that the closer we have our relationships, we shall be in position to benchmark and work with you to ensure that we have more of our students attaining education from Algeria. We are going to do several programs in health, agriculture, and we believe that through having wider conversation outside this schedule, in the interest of time, we shall be in position to benefit from several of your programs, including our people learning French, since it is one of the languages that you use in Algeria. We believe if we become multilingual, we will be in position to engage more in the larger audience in terms of the global affairs. We are grateful to receive you here today, and we expect a lot from you, especially in terms of our friendship with you, in terms of traveling to Algeria, and so forth. So therefore, in the interest of time, I once again thank you for coming, and perhaps our permanent secretary will introduce the rest of the people to you. I thank you.
Kyabazinga Baba waife ali munte balamula Iwuma engoma diwumira waise bantu Kyabazinga Baba waife buno busoga bulaire Oleka omubiri tidirwa kutuka Semuwene ku baba iwamuwene ku Semuwene ku mama iwamuwene ku Omulungi wokulindirira omuyoyote Munyene ya busoga eyakayaka Kyabazinga nsooka kusiima lata His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Ssebo kutwiriza Kyabazinga webale nze kadabadde omuka azaalibwa Bukweri ekyalo Nabirere ndi mwise Mulwasira mama mwise Mena azaalibwa Bukweri munda yakakaire kusiima lata obusoga bulaire bano obusoga bulaire nenda liwume engoma ndiwale nenda liwale engoma ndiwume nenda liwume engoma ndiwale nenda liwale engoma ndiwume
Bampeereza twabonanga baliwo ebintu bingi Busoga Kingdom byesobola yoona okubateganirwa enkolagana eri wakati wa Uganda government Algeria government kuba gavumenti endagana ino kale bwe navaayo naeza nabitiramu okuba nti okusoma kwajalayo ate abaana babasomesa okuva ku levu nayoyenda paka obwongo ofuira mu bwonere ate yabanga erikuwanga scholarships Uganda bakuwa scholarship 12 akuba nti kabusoga yes tufune kukuda gavumenti gebagabaye babaligabira Uganda yonna aye bwetwongera kabusoga byobulamu bazire balayi wano n'abali kusinza abali kutuuza eddwaliro katono ebitaire mu miliyoni dola eziwerako baali bakasabira tunakuba nti tuli mu Busoga tulina kukyaliriza ebyobulamu otwogera n'emikwano gyange tekyanamba nti ono mugere gutuleze nga mukwano gwange ndi era alina naaligana tukolagana twogera amasiku nasaba baba nti nsobola okuleeta mukwano n'ayogeramu tweteesaana nga Busoga waatwabona netusobola okutemagana n'Algeria. Kirungi baba yakkiriza yampa olukusa okuleeta mukwano gwange akyaliwo, ndi mukwano gwange nambitiramu yakkiriza okuba tetuliramu era n'akafuba kalimu bona tubala nebatuuka wakati ga Busoga n'Algeria. Kuba baire Algeria tukolagananga gavumenti aye bwati kuba gavumenti yaffe etukkiriza Kingdom yaffe biba bisobola okukwekasita biba n'ebirikwikirizibwa era nga byembakobere byetuliganagana ebyo ebikkirizibwa nga tulidde nti tusobola okubaayo enkolagana wakati wa Busoga ne Algeria. balina university ediswika amakumi akalwenda ga gavumenti bona balina agabanga disomesa ebintu ebikamala ebikola ne university ebikali kutandika asomesebwa mu itendera lya science ndowooza ngaababalisi ebintu natukeyo nga tubiwuliranga nakutiibwa ekibanyitegeeza ki baninonolanga buli kale bwekyokusomesa bali balayini era ano n'ekindi bwova kuwekera ku kyobulamu amadwaliro gaibe gonagona ga gavumenti aga private galiyo matono aye Algeria omuntu owa bulido bakwidandabira bwereere buli muntu yena kireeta oba olwaire kyoba oba kukusala oba kulaki Algeria ekikutuusaako era ng'egezaako okwamba ensi edindi eda Africa ediringabo ediringa ife okutumbula mu bya health eyo yona area tusobola okuba ne vocational training develop skills ezabe bo bali gaigulu nene bali ku mutendera gwa waigulu niyo area yona basobola okuba nga Busoga eganibwa ne Uganda tuliganibwa olwedi ate bwenu mu nsi ezisinga kunywa kaawa mu Africa Algeria egema kyakulya era twakatandika tugwirira mubyena baire ndikuteesa kunibaba Busoga twena tuli mubalimi emwani aye kasooka mbere tuwuliranga ku kampani ya Busoga tebeerinze emwani Algeria aye nga buti edindi ekampala gikuweereza okuba nti ffe tuzira kampuni ditunda amwani kuluya mbaire tukidi kuba natuukeyo mu bireetanira eno mulimu emwani mulimu amata mulimu amajani aye nga ndowooza nti ekyemwani Busoga yona esobola okuganibwa bwe tuba tulina kampani tuyidade muyo zisobola okutunda direct olwo emwani ga Uganda dibaire dida Algeria aye nga dibitira Europe aba Germany aba Italy aba Faransa badigula baditwala ero bayongeraku engayisi baguza Algeria kale nga baliko batubana omukwano gwe tulinawo kitumwida direct era tugezezaako tibule kampani emwani n'amata birikuida aye nga nkaalibo mu Busoga nti yona ereesa mbona di kampani dikyagalanyi dikodi wendi aye nga da Kampala kirikoba nti kino yaimiifu bwe twegayitako nga ziraba alikosebe kuba bali omuwendo gw'emwani gwebenda Uganda ekayigutusanga malayo kuba bakaawa abamunwayini ife bano bono bitutunwa kaawa tunwa caayi waire tulina emwani aye kaibo tibanywa caayi banywa kaawa buli saawa olwo ibugumu n'ekimogogo biba extreme omusana guba guli gwaka nga tosobola kwemerera kuliyo tuli bwe tuli kwemerera kaibo kuinogoga tusobola kwemerera la embeera dombi dendakaawo kale baba tubamunwayini kale ebintu bingi areas nga bwembakobye education health vocational training n'ebindi birina bingi